Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about the impact of sun ingress on the market. Ingresses are a very powerful astronomical event. They usually causes good trend change in the market. Not all the time, I would say most of the time, around I would say based on probability around 70 to 75%. These causes change in the trend change of the market. And there are 9 planets. Each planet has its own energy. Each planet impacts its own sector. So you need to understand which planet impact which sector, and based on that you can take a call on that. So today we are discussing about sun ingress. Now sun is king of all the planets. It is it generally impacts PSU stocks. So Nifty PSE index should be kept into mind. Nifty PSU stocks are on a big rise, be it ONGC beach, IRDA beach, IRFC beach, RVNL. Anything which has a PSU tag is just going up like crazily. So there is, I mean, this is how bull markets are. The market becomes irrational at times. IRFC, RVNL, I mean, from 10 to 300 in less than 3 4 years. So that's a phenomenal run which we are seeing. So let's see whether this particular event can see some change in trend. So again, it's all about probability. You need to have a clear-cut plan with the right position size, right, risk management. Then only you can survive in market. Otherwise, you are bound to lose. So now so we are focusing on sun ingress. Now sun is, like I just told you, king of all the planets. I'm using a software called timing solution. So this is sun ingress. This was 2020. So Nifty exactly topped out on 2020. Before this COVID crash, also Nifty topped out on 19 February, and from there we had a big rally, big fall. And last few years it happened here. There was a bottom of the market, bottom, from there a good rally. So so this is happening on 20th. It happened 20th, the markets were open, so we can create a trade plan about this high, go long, below this low, go short. Now, like I told you, PSU stock should be on radar. So before that, there is another ingress which is happening today. It's basically called as Pluto ingress. Now Pluto is one of the coldest planet. It is farthest from the sun, and it generally causes explosion. It will generally impact um, insurance sector, biotechnology, atomic energy. So these are the sectors which will get impacted because of Pluto ingress. So you can keep an eye on insurance sectors, power stocks, RFC, PFC, because it is a combination of both power plus PSU. So this is where the Pluto ingress is happening. Last time it happened because Pluto is a coldest planet. These event doesn't happen so frequently. Last time it happened somewhere in 2008. So Pluto, 1 year of Pluto gets completed. It takes around 245 years. So if you check the orbital period of Pluto, that is 245 years. So these events comes once in a decade only. Pluto ingress. You can see here, whenever it is happening, there are some changes in the trend. Last time it happened somewhere here. Let's maximize these values. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind when it comes to Pluto ingress, it takes 1 or 2 days to show its impact because it's very cold planet. It is an outer planet, so it takes 1 or 2 days to get settled into. See here, it bottom out the next day, and from there the big rally started in April. Now it is happening again a rally started from here. Now it will happen on Monday. So basically double ingresses, two planets are changing direction, and double ingress was even talked by WD Gann. So if you just open the Wikipedia page of WD Gann, he has focused a lot on double ingress. WD Gann, and if you go to this Wikipedia page and if you search for double ingress, writing style. Oh, it seems the page. Yeah, here, writing style. So he was indirectly referring to astrological phenomena double ingresses when two or more planets, not counting moon, enter a new sign within 2 consecutive days. So that is what we are seeing, a double ingress now. So what could be our trade plan? I'll discuss on that, but before that, let me quickly show you PSE index, Nifty PSE index. So let me apply here Sun, all zodiac, calculate. So yeah, so last time it happened here, the PSU index bottomed out. This time on daily it has formed a doji candle, right? So it has formed a doji candle. So probably And on the weekly chart, if you quickly go and check Nifty PSE index on a weekly time frame, it has formed an outside bar pattern. Like I told you, outside bar are very important for trend change. So if you are looking for a big trend change, it has to break below this point, which is your 7857 on downside. And on upside, if it breaks 8478, then the targets here are, let me just quickly take you to the outside bar. One minute. Yeah. So weekly chart we are going. Yeah. So if it breaks this high, which is 8478, then the targets are 8788, 9088, and if the low is broken, then this is the these can be the targets. You can pause the video and watch it. So what are the stocks which are forming? So it is BEL, BHEL, BPCL, IOC. So if you look at the chart of BPCL, IOC, they like especially IOC. It is also near the 60th bar from its major bottom, and it has formed a kind of a basically it has to break below this low, which is 144. 144 is a very important square number of GAN. Then only we can look for a short trade there. And similarly, if I look at BHEL chart, a lot of them have formed a kind of doji pattern. Doji like REC, PFCs. So watch out for Mondays, sorry, Saturdays high and low. And if this low gets broken, I'm expecting it again come to around 410, 420 odd levels. This particular high, so it will be kind of a double top also as per WD can see here. Yes. So the high on this day is 454. So once 454 gets broken, the closing was, then you can expect first fall towards 440, then 430, and then probably it can break this particular zone also. So keep an eye on PSU stocks for the coming week, and I've shown you how particularly ingresses work. Now looking for the trade plan. So for Nifty, if it breaks this high, right? If Nifty breaks 22, oh, sorry, Nifty 50. Yeah. If Nifty 50 breaks 21,720, then the targets can be 21,809, 21,898, and 21,998. And if the low is broken, which is 21,541, then we are going towards 21,452, 21,363, and 21,274. One thing to keep in mind in Nifty is it has failed to close above its 20-day moving average for third day. I mean, we got a pullback. The price is taking resistance here. It is going down. And on daily, Nifty has formed an outside bar. So these are very crucial events. So keep an eye on these levels. So we have seen how beautifully Sun Ingress works in the market, how Pluto Ingress, I mean double ingresses can, lead to a important trend change in the market. So Monday is a holiday. So Tuesday, let's see how the market behaves. The trade plan is clear, and the same trade plan can be applied on Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty has again formed an inside bar also. So basically, again the plan will be go long above 46 120 for a target towards 46 455 726 and 997, and short should be below 45 640 for 45 369 45 098 44 826. So this is the plan. So in this video we have mostly focused on the ingress are very very important phenomenons. Let's see how market behaves in the coming week, and how double ingress will show its impact on the market. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.